In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a track in CapCut Desktop. If you want to quickly silence a video or audio track while editing, CapCut Desktop makes it very easy. This is useful when you want to remove distracting sound, compare different audio layers, or temporarily turn off a track without deleting anything from your project. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program is open, either create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. The important thing is to make sure you're inside the editing workspace so you can access the timeline. Next, add a video or audio track to the timeline if there isn't one there already. You need to have a track visible in the timeline before you can mute it. If your media is already in place, you can move straight to the next step. Now look to the left side of the timeline where you'll see the controls for each track. Locate the speaker icon beside the track you want to silence. This icon controls whether that specific track plays sound or stays muted during playback. Move your mouse over the speaker icon and pause for a moment. When you hover over it, a tooltip should appear that says Mute Track. This helps confirm that you found the correct control before you click anything. Once you see that tooltip, click the speaker icon. After clicking, give it a moment for the change to apply. The track should now be muted, which means its audio will no longer be heard when you preview or export your project, unless you turn it back on later. To make sure everything worked properly, play your project and listen carefully. Verify that the track no longer has sound. This is a good habit, especially if you're working with multiple layers of audio, because it helps you confirm you muted the correct track and not a different one by mistake. If you decide you want the sound back, simply click the speaker icon again. That will unmute the track and restore its audio. Finally, confirm that the track has been successfully muted by checking both the icon state and the playback result. If the audio is gone during preview, then the mute action was successful. And that's how to mute a track in CapCut Desktop. It's a simple feature, but it can save time and make audio editing much easier while you work.